Is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Lights. In this session, we are going to be talking about cells and tissues. The drawing shows a group of 3 cells. Make an outline drawing to show how the cells would appear under the microscope if a thin section A to A was cut and mounted on a slide. The section would appear like this. Which one of the following is most likely to be true? To see plant cells with a microscope, you usually need a magnification of about A, 5, B, 10, C, 100, D, 1000. The magnification at which plant cells could be seen would be about 100. Which one of the following best describes the function of a cell membrane? A. It keeps the cell in shape. B. It controls the substance entering and leaving the cell. C. It controls the substances entering the cell. And D. It supports the cell structure. Of the choices offered, B is the best description of a cell membrane's function. It controls the substances entering and leaving the cell. Which of the following structures are A. In plant and animal cells, B. In plant cells but not in animal cells? The structures are cell wall, cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, central vacuole, chromosomes, and cell sap. Part A. In plants and animal cells. Plants and animal cells have cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, and chromosomes. And part B, only plant cells have cell wall, central vacuole, and cell sap. The drawing below shows stages in cell division, but in the wrong order. What is the best likely sequence of events? The most likely sequence is as shown below. B comes first, followed by E, followed by D, followed by A, followed by C, followed by D, followed by F. Select the most appropriate words from the list below to complete the following paragraph. The paragraph. If a cell develops in such a way that it does one particular job very efficiently, it is said to be dash. Such a cell is also said to be dash to its function. A nerve cell is dash for conducting impulses. It can do this efficiently because of its dash and the chemical reaction in its dash. So the words we have to choose from, the appropriate word, we have shape, virtue, adapted, cytoplasm, size, specialized, mature, and mitochondria. If a cell develops in such a way that it does one particular job very efficiently, it is said to be specialized. Such a cell is also said to be adapted to its function. A nerve cell is specialized for conducting impulses. It can do this efficiently because of its shape and the chemical reaction in its cytoplasm. Classify the following under heading cell, structure, tissue, organ, or system. And what we are supposed to classify are bone, nucleus, skeleton, brain, nerve, mitochondrion, muscle, cytoplasm, epithelium, heart and blood vessels, stomach, alimentary canal, lungs and windpipe. Cell structures. We have nucleus, mitochondria, and cytoplasm. Tissues. We have the bones, nerve, muscle, epithelium. Organs. We have the brain, stomach, and lungs. System. We have the skeleton, heart and blood vessels, alimentary canal, lungs, and windpipe. Hello friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology Lights. Please, I do encourage you to subscribe.